In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can use the equation of a straight line to create a table of values. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, this states that in order to calculate y, I multiply x by 2 and add on 8. So looking at my table of values, if x is equal to negative 4, that means that y must equal 2 times negative 4, add on 8, which will give me 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, add on 8 is equal to 0. So my first coordinate pair is negative 4, 0. My second one is when x is equal to negative 2. 2 times negative 2, add on 8, gives me 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, add on 8 is 4. So my second coordinate pair is negative 2, 4. When x is equal to 0, 2 times by 0 plus 8 gives me 2 times 0 is 0, add 8 is 8. So my third coordinate pair is 0, 8. One thing to note at this point is that whenever x is 0, you should always end up with the same value that is your y-intercept in the equation of the straight line. The last and final point is when x is equal to 2. 2 times by 2 add on 8 gives me 2 times 2 is 4, add on 8 is equal to 12. So my last coordinate pair is 2, 12. I've now created 4 coordinates that I could use to create the straight line. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Y for my second example is created by multiplying x by negative 4 and then adding 2. So when x is equal to negative 4, negative 4 times negative 4 add 2 gives me negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, add 2 is equal to 18. When x is equal to negative 2, negative 4 times negative 2 add 2 gives me 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. When x is equal to 0, negative 4 times 0 plus 2 gives me 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. And checking that when x is equal to 0, I get the y-intercept value, so I know that this point is true. And finally, when x is equal to 2, negative 4 times 2 plus 2 gives me negative 8 plus 2, which is negative 6.